water is boiled, so I'm gonna add the boiled water inside the mixture. I just straight in. So. So after this, I'm gonna if you want, as I wash all lemons, so put holes in them with the fork. So if you want to make or taste like lemon, you have to put this in inside. So I'm gonna switch the inside and all the things inside. And so if you want to make it taste like paradise, you can add this two cinnamon stick to one. I want the black. I forgot some. I forgot black pepper, but they make your a little bit spicy. You can add some black pepper. Now, if you want to make it taste like paradise, super. And 2 sticks of cinnamon. You can add the straight inside, and. So I'm going to mix that in. I'm going to mix it inside the khorosh and your complete. So I will saffron, 1 little bit of spoon of a little bit. Just a little bit. It's not a lot. Just a little bit of spoon of saffron. I'm going to straight inside. So I'm going to put it back inside. Put that back in. I'm going to show you the best part is if you want so that's how you can make khorosh Gheymeh without secret so ingredients are below are onions and regular split peas and some mince and some tomato paste and some turmeric powder and some black pepper, some 2 sticks of cinnamon powder, cinnamon stick, and 2 sticks of dried lemons, and that's it. And you can put straight inside and leave it until put lemon juice after. So I put lemon juice after this. I'll see you next. I'll show you the next video. I'll put lemon juice aside. So in the next video. See you soon and enjoy.